This week, we're going to jump in and warm up by asking this question. If your character had a popular music soundtrack, what would it be? Once you answer that, make a list of the songs that include at least one or two that seem as if they were conceived, written, or sung or performed for an audience very, very different from your character. That's what I'm going to share with you. I'll also share a list of what is very likely not the top 100 songs of all times, but that's what it's called, meant to jog your memory and to give you ideas. My character, Thomas, who in my book loses his job after a horrible false accusation of molesting one of his fourth grade students. Soon after, in his life, his brother also dies, forcing Thomas to decide if he's going to adopt his nephew. One of my songs for this soundtrack is Landslide by Fleetwood Mac, written by Stevie Nicks. At a time in her life when she was deciding whether or not to give up on music and go back to school. Her lyrics are, I took my love, I took it down, climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought it down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing because I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder. Even children get older. And I'm getting older too. I'm getting older too. Oh, take my love, take it down, climb a mountain and turn it around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring it down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring it down. The landslide will bring it down. So for me, that actually has a correlation with my own novel, even though Thomas probably wouldn't choose that as his soundtrack. The next song on Thomas's soundtrack is a song called If I Should Fall Behind by Bruce Springsteen. It was written by Bruce Springsteen as a song to his then wife, and he wrote about the dedication to one another that comes with love. So here are the lyrics. We said we'd walk together, baby, come what may. That come the twilight, should we lose our way? If we were walking, a hand should slip free, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. We swore we'd travel, darling, side by side. We'd help each other stay in stride. But each other's lovers' steps fall so differently. But I'll wait for you, and if I should fall behind, wait for me. Now everyone dreams of a love lasting and true, but you and I know that this world can do. So let's make our steps clear that the other may see, and I'll wait for you. If I should fall behind, wait for me. Now there's a beautiful river in the valley ahead. There's 'neath the oak's bough, soon we will be wed. Should we lose each other in the shadow of the evening trees, I'll wait for you. And should I fall behind, wait for me. Darling, I'll wait for you. Should I fall behind, wait for me. So that should give you an idea about the mood of my project. How about your scene and your character? Write down the songs, write down the lyrics, get ideas for your character's soundtrack.